Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Just a quickie, you never know what I'm going to make a video on. This is to make your buff or your mask that you slide over your whole face wraparound mask. It's a different type of mask. How to make it fit better. So this is a latex glue. They call it Fabri-Fuse E6000. There's some other brands too. I'll put some links down in the comments. And what I do is I turn it inside out and I put a magazine down there in case anything bleeds through. It doesn't really bleed through because this is doubled up. And I put every couple of inches, I put a little patch of this, and that does two things. It makes it so that when this slides over your face, it's a little tighter along here because it doesn't stretch. Here it'll stretch a bit, here it will stretch not quite so much. So it makes this whole seam or hem tighter around your face. And the other thing it does is it's kind of like a non-skid, non-slip once it dries, so it won't fall down off your nose or off your cheeks quite as easily. But it's still very easy to put on and off. And this stuff will dry 6 or 8 hours or so, and you can rotate it around the magazine and do the next section until you do it and all the way around. You want to do it all the way around, and then you can put it in the wash. You can wear it once a day and then wash it. I have a dozen or so of these. They're all flags because I like the flag. And that will help it stay up better on your face. So if you've got one that you like but you're having trouble with it staying up, now you know how to fix it. I did some of these last March when the virus first hit, and they're still good. They've been through the wash dozens of times. So that's about it. Just a little quick one here. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.